Once was a hero named Ragnar the Red, who came riding to Whiterun from old Rorikstead. And the braggart did swagger and brandish his blade as he told of bold battles and gold he had made. But then he went quiet, did Ragnar the Red, when he met the shield maiden Matilda, who said,
If it's work you're looking for,
you talk and you lie
Hulda's
and
the
you
one to
drink
talk to.
Now I think it's high time that you lie down and bleed. And so then came clashing and slashing of steel as the brave lass Matilda charged in full of zeal. And the braggart named Ragnar was boastful no more when his ugly red head rolled around on the floor.
Nah, no. Just shut the fuck, McKay.
To our youth, today's come and gone.
Well, welcome to On Air with Odin. Now that I can get him to shut up for a fucking second. Yeah. It's 6:30 in the morning, but I woke up, I'm feeling perfectly awake, and I wanted to play Skyrim. And I had a couple of options. I could either make a new character to play while not recording, or I could do a stream early in the morning that nobody but my friend Kel will be watching, just for the sake of having it recorded and pushing it to YouTube, so that you over at YouTube, if you're watching it, hey, you've got content. It's a lot easier than saving to the hard drive and uploading, believe me. I don't have anything that requires editing, therefore I don't feel the need to record it and edit it. Not very professional, but hey, it's the game you want, and you're getting the game uncensored, unfiltered, unedited.
The age of aggression is just about done.
I wonder.
The security in Whiterun is terrible. Shameful is what it is.
I wonder if I have a high enough sneak just to sit here and shoot him in the back of the head. No, Malagdan wouldn't do that. Your day of your death will fucking drink and sing, Mikhail. Asshole. God, I hate that guy. Skyrim? I hear music, you've not crashed. Yeah, I was gonna say. Must have been loading the weather. Nom nom. Now I believe we have business up in Dragon's Reach. And there. Dragon's Reach first, I believe. Wait. Not Dragon's Reach, the companions. I installed a couple of new mods. Oh, and one of which I forgot. I was going to do that whole signs thing, wasn't I? Well, I forgot to get around to that.
Are those two at it again? I knew it. Come on now. Watch the book.
Just a brawl. I'm here for more important things. I'm here to speak to the leader of the companions, not watch some petty brawl between cubs. I mean, Malagdan here killed a saber cat. Thing didn't even stand a chance. He picked it off from long range.
But I still hear the call of the blood.
We all
He also heard rumors of something going on in Falkreath.
we can overcome.
You have my brother and I, Otis. But I don't know if the rest will go along quite so easily.
Leave that to me. A stranger comes to our hall.
Let me ask that question.
Your question carries more weight than you may know, newcomer. The sort of thing some of us spend our lives pondering. The difference between a noble band of warriors and a ragged bunch of assassins is as thin as a blade's edge. I try to hold us to the right path.
Okay. What's this? I don't really care about the war in Malagdan.
Like most of our band, I found this family after losing my own. I traveled the length and breadth of this land, learning all I could of the sword and the axe. I was just a boy, but I had the fire of a man in my heart. Eventually, my body caught up to my spirit.
Now, as well as
My
Malagdan
predecessor
will not be
Asgard
using
found
any
me
of the
in
weapons.
Hammerfell.
Well,
I was serving as a bodyguard for
any of
some
the weapon
weak-necked
types that have been
lord
installed.
out there. He brought me back here, and I realized
it was
I was actually coming home.
for other
I
characters
worked to bring honor to this family.
that wouldn't
family
use a
that
bow,
I
but they would
lost.
still have ranged
For my
attacks.
mother,
I've installed
my father,
the
and my grandfather. For all my shield siblings.
throwing weapons.
Family and honor.
Uh,
That's what it means to be one of us, boy.
so we've got throwing javelins or spears, throwing axes, and
Would you
various
now?
other parts.
Here.
The enemies
Let
will
me
use
have a
them.
look at you. Yes, perhaps. A certain strength of spirit.
Master, you're not truly considering accepting him.
I am nobody's master, Vilkas. And last I checked, we had some empty beds in Jorvaskr for those with a fire burning in their hearts.
Apologies. But perhaps this isn't the time. I've never even heard of this outsider.
Still dark
Sometimes
outside.
the famous
It's
come
getting
to
towards
us.
winter. God damn it.
Sometimes men and women come to us to seek their fame. It makes no difference. What matters is their heart.
And there are.
Of course. How are you in battle, boy? That may be so. This is Vilkas. He will test your arm. Vilkas, take him out to the yard and see what he can do.
Where's the other one? See that? You see that freaking thing there? That is what the parrying removed. Because you couldn't do the either arm. But that flurry of blows has killed me every time I get freaking caught up by a thief. It's that flurry that freaking mod just it removed it completely. You couldn't do it. So I was like, nope, delete mod. And that's what I removed. And now, despite it being quite late at night, everyone's going to be out here because they got to make their comments on the bout. Revered in legendary dragons? I hope I don't run into any of those. I don't remember installing a mod that had more powerful dragons.
Leo said that.
Oh wait, they're not there. I guess they only make a comment if they're there.
Just have a few swings at me so I can see your form.
Swing, 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 swing,
Don't
swing.
worry. I can take it.
Right. What?
Pretty good arm you have there.
I knocked him down.
Now, this ends now. Come at me. Don't hurt me if you wanted to.
I missed. Man, I knocked him down.
Not bad. Next time won't be so easy. You might just make it. But for now, you're still a whelp to us, new blood. So you do what we tell you. Here's my sword. Go take it up to Yorland to have it sharpened. And be careful. It's probably worth more than you are.
Plus, I don't need to block while I'm dual wielding when I have this. It's not working. Wait. I got a dodge. Wah. Dodge animation. Dodge animation. Dodge animation. So if I'm holding back, left or right and press the sprint button, it does a dodge. That's cool. So I can do stuff like, oh yeah, and then, waya. Bird. I don't know why I said that.
What brings you here?
I guess I have not been up long.
I'm guessing you're the newcomer then. Oh, don't worry too much. And don't always just do what you're told. Nobody rules anybody in the companions. Well, I'm not sure how they've managed it, but they have. No leader since Ysgramor. Kodlak is the harbinger, and he's a sort of advisor for the whole group. But every man is his own, every woman her own. Not actually a companion myself, but none of them know how to work a forge properly, and I'm honored to serve them. My name is Eorlin Greymane. I work the Skyforge. Best steel in all of Skyrim, all of Tamriel. I have a favor to ask. I've been working on a shield for Aela. My wife is in mourning, and I need to get back to her soon. I'd be much obliged if you could take this to Aela for me. That's a good man.
I wouldn't mind any excuse to go see Aela anyway. She seems like a fine huntress. She even has the title of such, and that intrigues me. As in Malagdan. And me. Plus, you know, redheads. I just love them.
Oh, I'm just a servant, dear.
I do like them fiery. Not exclusively, of course, but you know. I smell huntress. Oh, she's
All
tired.
these younglings scampering around.
Worried one of them is going to take your place?
Some of them might try. That's not what I'm worried about.
What then?
That they might get themselves killed.
By you?
They should be so lucky.
It's up.
If you wish to hunt with me, your feet need to be quick and your eyes quicker.
Oh, they are. Trust me.
Ah, good. I've been waiting for this. Wait, I remember you. So the old man thinks you've got some heart, I guess.
You know this one? I saw him training in the yard with Vilkas.
No, you didn't.
Ah, yes. I heard you gave him quite a thrashing.
No, you
Don't let
didn't.
Vilkas catch you saying that.
Well, I gave him a thrashing, yeah.
Do you think you could handle Vilkas in a real fight?
I don't care for boasting.
Ah, a man of action. Here, let's have Farkas show you where you'll be resting your head. Ysgramor himself wouldn't have the
Farkas.
patience to deal with all the rabble around here. All right, then.
Did you call me?
Of course we did, Icebrain. Show this new blood where the rest of the whelps sleep.
New blood? Oh, I remember you. Come on, follow me.
Oh, look at his weapon. He's using a
Sure,
Skyforge steel greatsword.
But they're good people.
That's one of the mods
They
that is
challenge us
in
to be
there.
our best.
Like, they're only slightly better than regular steel weapons, but they have
Nice to have a new
the
face
companions
around.
using
It gets boring here sometimes.
like weapons that are
I hope we keep
Skyforge
you.
steel rather than
This
just
could be a
regular
rough
steel.
life. The quarters are up here. Just pick a bed and fall in it when you're tired. Telma will keep the place clean. She always has. Alright, so here you are. Looks like the others are eager to meet you. Come to me or Ayala if you're looking for work. Once you've made a bit of a name for yourself, Skjor and Vilkas...
I haven't seen you before, have I? Have we met? I'm sorry, I've forgotten.
By the way, if you're looking for something to do, we've got trouble right here at Whiterun Hold. Nothing we can't handle. The Falmer. There have been reports that they've been attacking people at night.
I'll take care of it.
I knew you could be counted on. Do what must be
Falmer.
done. By the way, if you're looking for something to do...
You did it again. Really? Fucking snow elves.
Recruit, right? Wait, is that right?
They're setting me off to snow elves.
Might head down to the meadery later, see what they're brewing up. We can smell the honey on the wind. A man of my station has many debts. I'm not much use of labor or learning, but I can throw a punch with the best of them. The companions let me fight for gold, so I fight. It means when I have troubles, I always have someone on my side. We have shield siblings to keep our backs as dangerous as our fronts, I think. Until next time.
I never thought they would actually let me join the Companions. But now it looks like they're letting anyone in these days. Fortune and glory, friend. Fortune and glory.
Went for Broomknob. That's not a bad choice.
It means signing on for the Nord ideas of how to live your life. Honor, battle, glory, all that. Even an elf can be born with the heart of a Nord. Skjor said when I joined. I think he meant it as a compliment. Safe travels.
The latest recruit, right? Wait, is that right?
You know what? I'll let the ladies sleep. What is this?
One
Like
day when
ladies'
you and I
side of the
run a
room,
circle, we can
boys'
change
side of the
how
room?
things are run
I mean,
around here.
men's side of the room.
I
Sorry.
don't think that's how the circle works.
They're lording it over us all the time, though.
I've been tending to
Young
the
warriors are
warriors at
smart,
your vascular.
Oh, and who voices Bryn?
I see everything, hear everything, and know everything.
You're creepy. I'm gonna just outright say it. You're creepy. Look at that sword.
Skjor says that I
Oh,
have the
goddamn.
strength of Ysgramor.
Yeah, I thought it might have been. If there was a marriage option for the medic or the Cockney voice in Saints Row, you would go for it, wouldn't you? Any character that guy voices, you want. I'm thirsty. Oh, hey.
Lately, it seems I am more nurse than priestess, tending to those who have the Gildergreen, yes. It's a bit of an eyesore at the moment. More of a problem for the pilgrims than for me, but not many of them around anymore. To the east of here is a hidden grove where the Eldergleam resides. It's the oldest living thing in Skyrim, maybe all of Tamriel. Our tree here in the city was grown from a cutting of that tree. You can still feel the glory of the mother tree through it. Even its name is an echo. I've thought about that. Trees like this never really die, they only slumber. I think if we had some of the sap from the parent tree, we could wake up its child. But even if you could get to the Eldergleam, you couldn't tap it. Not with any normal metal. If you want to help, you'll need something to cut into it first. You'll have to deal with the Hagravens. I've heard about the weapon
I was
they've made
tempted to
for
get the
sacrificing
mod that
brigands.
makes the guards randomly
It's called
generated, but
Nettlebane.
honestly
Perhaps
they have a
terrify
uniform.
me, or I
That's
would have gone
what they
after
have to
it
wear.
myself.
And also apparently it gives you a lot of
Your spirit
bugs.
is strong. Kinnereth's winds will guide your path. It's held in a Hagraven nest called Orphan Rock.
So, as you may notice, Malagdan is using some standard steel swords for, well, during his life in Skyrim, and the situation that led to, well, how he was when we started. Those blades have been taken. And, well, apparently upon entering Skyrim, the native princes thought it'd be funny to take these blades for themselves
So, have you
and
gotten
do all
Nettlebane
kinds
back
of
from
wonderful
those
things with them.
filthy Hagravens yet?
I'm of course talking about, because these blades were of course of light and dark. They were a pair. And, oh, what the hell? Huh.
So sick. Can hardly stand it.
But in this game, the blades that his father gave him for leaving the Underdark, which I believe I explained in the first part of this character, is the, what is it called? The Sunblade? Dawnblade, I think? At least that's what they are calling it now. As well as its counterpart, the Duskblade. One of the endgame. I'm hungry. One of the endgame checkmarks for Malagdan is to retrieve these blades. This will mean dealing with Daedra. Not fighting them so much, but dealing with them. Oh, I still have that vampire armor I could sell. Food, that was it. We've got a bunch of apples, but let's have some rabbit. Just 3. Yeah. I swear I heard a voice behind me.
I can't afford to send anyone else. And we don't know where the dragon is.
You're someone who can get things done. I like the finest weapons and armor.
And the next part would be, well, you know, he'd have to find a place he wants to settle down, buy a house, maybe even find a mate. You can take that. An orcish arrow. If only it was an orcish bow, that would be much better. Oh look, steel javelin. Thrown weapons. Steel war axe. Throwing torch. Steel warhammer. There are also steel throwing axes.
Don't forget beside the shop if you need anything.
Divine smile on you, friend. You tried mercenary work? It might suit you.
Right, did I already retrieve that sword for him? I think I did. Oh, I need to get a mammoth tusk too.
You've been company of the companions. That's an honorable path.
What else was I doing?
I spend a at the market stall so I can learn the merchant's trade.
Hey Yolan, what's up? You having a good morning? The hell was I doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna go see the mage up in Dragon's Reach, see if I've got any stuff to sell to him. Because I think I had some stuff that, you know, most people don't buy because of, well, their magic. I thought we had some things. Scrolls. Oh yeah, these. I don't need those. Yeah, I've got a couple of scrolls to sell.
The future of Tamriel.
And now, as another part, I may need to in-character buy the books for a couple of spells. But out of character buy the books. In character, during his travels, Malagdan once actually encountered a phoenix, and they had a relationship of sorts. And during the time of, well, learning knowledge and all that sort of stuff, Malagdan got nearly fatally wounded, and the phoenix in fact shared some of its blood with him in order to heal his wounds. I don't know why I'm on the enchantment table. And ever since then, he has had some fire magic in his blood.
The Jarl said retrieving that stone tablet is a priority, remember? I had you figured for me.
I'm not a mate.
I think you'll appreciate this.
There you go. Eight-Rod Stone Singer. Oh no, this is I want to sell. Wait, I have these? Not my kind of magic. He's not. He won't buy the scrolls? Are you kidding me? No, I don't need
Come
those.
to
Screw it.
Dragon's Reach to discuss the ongoing hostilities, like the rest of the great warriors.
You have to be patient. But I don't want to be patient. I want to dress right now. Father promised.
Fucking spoiled brats.
Disrespect the law and you disrespect me.
Well, fuck you. I didn't break the law, so I'm not disrespecting you. Just fuck you.
Love, even as man, break down.
You tried mercenary? It might suit you.
Fear not. Come dragon or giant. We'll
Father,
be
do you have to deal with this?
Dragon, maybe. Giant, no, you're fucked. We all know this. Alright, time to hunt. Now I'm wondering, do I want to do Blissful's Barrow? No I don't, because then there'll be dragons. I don't really care about this whole dragon problem right now. There's one dragon. Big deal. Or is that just not normal around here? Shimmershist Cave. No. No fast travel. What's this? Talk to oh, we still have to talk to Faendale. We do have to go that way to get to Orphan Rock. It's a shame. I'll deal with the local problems right about now. But sending people after Falmer is not what you give a new recruit. I don't have enough gold for the horse yet.
Got the fleetest steeds in all of Skyrim.
That's nice. Can't afford them though. I'm on foot. Kind of like being on foot anyway. If I am fleet or foot. It's sneaky. Jump when I push you. Jump. Okay, run. You can. Apparently, you can't run and jump in Skyrim. That's stupid. Staying off the roads just in case. And also, it's kind of cool to see Dragon's Reach from this angle. What the? That ain't right. I don't need your meat and pelt right now. Therefore you shall live for now. What the hell is that? Completely flat bit of rock. It's an old pillow. Oh shit, there's a chest there. Okay, what's the... Did the butterfly just push me? Really? What's the catch here? Is it locked? I'm gonna check up here in case there's anybody waiting. No? Whoa! That's some loot. Nobody came after me for that. Bit of a ways up though. Keep an eye out. just a fox. Now, Falmer are fucking deadly. Even in the vanilla Skyrim. On regular. So I don't know how. Huh? The fuck? A wolf, and there's a wolf over there. Wait, where'd the wolf go? Is that in there? No. I think he ducked out of sight. Out of sight, out of mind. There is a dead mammoth skeleton here. Shame there are no tusks intact. No food. A mammoth was running right at me. The fuck? Is he just doing laps? Oh, magical flying mammoth. Why the hell's he giant? Aren't they always meant to be with a giant? Oh, there's another mammoth over there. Man, if he was on his own, I might have thought about taking him down because, well, somebody needs a mammoth tusk. And here we are. Shimmer mist. What the hell am I doing? Okay. Punch. That doesn't help. Pretty. Just checking for anybody stationed up there. It's the spider. Wait, I need to sleep? Oh no. I can't sleep here. a tripwire. Did that cause suspicion? The basic Falmer took 2 hours to take down. I need a better bow before I come here. That's just fucking creepy. All right. $31. 26. 26. 21. 24. 31. And that's technically 34 frost damage. That's 31 flat. And that will run out. So, 8. What have we got currently? 12, okay. I'm hungry and tired. God damn it. Nom. Okay, I can't see anything here. That's better. Nothing here. Falmer helmet. I don't want to wear anything made by these guys. I mean, sure, I put a bow, it's in my hands. I'm wearing gloves. But putting that stuff on my face, no. That's the way out. Was there anything else down here? Like, what's over here? Dead guys. Man, you're thirsty again? What is with this place? Is it just... Fair enough, Kel. Shimmer Mist Grotto? Multiples of them. Poison potion grenade. Oh yeah, those scale with your alchemy skill. Like you can just throw bottles of poison at people I'm still nervous about this. Because I'm just wondering just how strong this chieftain will be. That was a different sound. That is a different creature. That is a pretty damn strong creature. Territorial, I guess? Okay, I'm out of here. It's far too close quarters for me. Oh, holy shit. I'm not poisoned, am I? Motherfucker. Oh, I got a level up. Okay, yeah, that'll do. I need... What do I need? Yeah. I need more bow damage. Fucking... what? Be poisoned back, bitch. Actually, that one's coming up here. Nope. Nope. Holy shit, you're fast. And Malagdan's dead. Wow, those things are brutal. How many arrows does it take to kill those damn things? I didn't even see him hit me. Like, I wailed at him, then fell down. Like, was I poisoned or something? Maybe I died from exhaustion. I don't know. Well then. Malagdan is dead. The companions sent him to deal with some Falmer. Unfamiliar with the local area and unfamiliar with Falmer, he was not entirely prepared for them to be that bad. But there we are. Malagdan is dead. Well then. Wow. Thank you for watching my live recording. This has been On Air with Odin. I will be back with the next character. It's a shame Malagdan died because he was doing so well. But the companions sent him up against a foe that are extremely powerful. They're even, like, Falmer are scary, even, I've always said this, but the Falmer in the vanilla game, without any of these combat mods, are just brutal. And those cephalopod things, those churros, or whatever they're called, they're nasty.